Hello trader. Today is 12th of February, Wednesday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best Forex Trade analysis. Just to recap, these are the intraday analysis with a live audio commentary. As you can see on the left hand side is the analysis, the right side is the trade taken based on that analysis. Kiwi dollar, as you can see, this was the pretty straightforward triangle pattern, beautiful breakout long trade. That's basically even the news supported last night. Beautiful long trade on news US dollar. Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward, beautiful pullback long trade. And Euro USD, pretty straightforward. This was a very short trade on breakout. And Euro Yen, pretty straightforward. Again, this was the breakout short trade. And Pound Swiss franc, again, this was the consolidation breakout long trade. Pound yen, pretty straightforward. As you can see, this was the triangle pattern breakout based on the momentum. We announced another pullback long trade, beautiful to long trade on pound yen today. And dollar CAD, pretty straightforward. This was the again triangle pattern breakout, beautiful short trade. Aussie dollar, we had this break pullback previously, and as I always mention, we keep an eye at the price movement. As we mentioned here at the London morning session, look for another pullback at this orange fib channel. As you can see, price develop according to the analysis, another pullback, beautiful long trade. Pound yen, as we seen the previous analysis, we had this breakout long trade and the pullback long trade, and then we update our analysis as the price moves. As you can see, we develop another triangle pattern, and even the price broken after the breakout. We had a pullback, beautiful long trade. We had it another one on pound yen. Euro yen, pretty straightforward. We had this short trade bank few pips, and the price develop another flag pattern, as you can see based on this analysis. Beautiful based on the momentum. Beautiful breakout long trade, and price nicely hit our final target. Beautiful long trade on euro yen. Euro USD, as mentioned on the analysis at the London morning, that look for another pullback if the price going to be developing a head and shoulder pattern. As you can see, this is exactly the head and shoulder pattern develop, and the price nicely respected this level as mentioned on the analysis. We had it another counter long trade, and we banked some profit as soon as the price hit to the resistance level. Beautiful analysis and long trade on Euro USD. And dollar yen, pretty straightforward, interesting consolidation breakout, beautiful long trade. And pound dollar, as mentioned on the analysis, as you can see, the price nicely develop a pullback and develop second time, beautiful long positions on pound dollar. Euro Swiss franc, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. We are expecting a pullback. Price went up and beautifully developed a pullback short trade on Euro Swiss franc. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. This was the triangle pattern breakout. Beautiful long trade. And pound yen, as we have seen it previously, that we were taking a long position there and this one and this one. And as always mentioned, we keep an eye on the as the price moves, we keep an eye any patterns develop. As you can see, the price develop another sort of triangle pattern, and we mentioned look for the breakout. As you can see, based on the momentum, we have another beautiful long trade, and price nicely hit to the profit target. Beautiful long trade on pound yen. Euro pound, pretty straightforward. This was the triangle pattern breakout based on the momentum, as we always looking to trades towards the momentum and trend. As you can see, beautiful breakout, short trade on euro pound. And Kiwi dollar, again, we had this beautiful breakout previous trade, and as mentioned, look for another pullback based on the momentum. As mentioned on the analysis, beautiful pullback long price respected twice the support level. Two beautiful long trades on Kiwi dollar, beautiful trades. Dollar CAD, this was the London morning session analysis again. As soon as the price broke on the previous low, beautiful, even price after the breakout respected, beautiful short trade on dollar CAD. This one again, as mentioned on the analysis, We mentioned, guys, to look for another pullback as mentioned on the analysis. As you can see, price reverse and develop another beautiful pullback short trade. And Euro USD, we had this trade, we had this breakout short trade and long trade, and as well as I mentioned that we always keep an eye on the price movement, any new patterns develop. As you can see, the price develop another pattern, beautiful. This was the basically in a London morning session. We had this analysis. We also had it another analysis, the New York session, same sort of pattern and beautiful. We mentioned if you have taken that trade, bank some profit as soon as the price hit to the fib channel. Beautiful breakout short trade. Pound Swiss franc pretty straightforward channel breakout long trade, and Euro yen as mentioned on the analysis. You can see this was a beautiful breakout. Even after the breakout, we announced another pullback short trade. Beautiful two short trade on Euro yen, pound, Euro pound. Pretty straightforward. This was the New York session analysis. As you can see, the price nicely came and developed pullback, and price nicely hit to the final profit target on Euro pound. Euro USD, as mentioned previously, that this analysis was at the New York session. As you can see, we always keep an eye, and based on the morning session, bank some profit, and based on another New York session trade, we took a short trade and bank some profit as soon as the price basically hit to the final target. Beautiful short trade on Euro USD. Pound dollar, as mentioned on the analysis, for look for the pullback. What happened after that? Price nicely came back and hit beautiful short trade on pullback short trade on pound dollar. Pound yen pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. Look for the pullback short. Price nicely developed. We're still holding that trade, by the way. Beautiful short trade on pound yen. Euro US, Euro Swiss franc pretty straightforward as mentioned on the analysis. As you can see, the price nicely developed pullback and beautiful pullback short trade, and price nicely hit to the final target. All right, guys, that's it for today.
If you want to watch live intraday analysis in real time, most welcome to join my fast growing trader community at ashrafnoor.com. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for the latest analysis. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time with more analysis.